with y'all young boys? It's your boy Spiritual Only Cash. Back with another vid. Another smooth little vid for y'all young boys. In today's video, the topic of today's video is Lifepath numbers. So Lifepaths is a very interesting and important topic. I feel like it's very underrated. I feel like if anything, it's more important than your birthday. But I mean, your birthday is what it is. So your birthday. Well, I'm gonna put up the chart. I'm gonna put up the little calculations. I'm gonna put it up for you.
All right, here we go. So this is the calculation. I feel like people just complicate it and make it harder than what it really seems. But all you gotta do is just calculate all the numbers in your date of birth down to one number. So as you can see, 21, 2 plus 1, 12, 1 plus 2, 1983, 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 3. So as you can see, 2 plus 1, that equals 3, 1 plus 2, that equals 3, 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 3, that equals 21. 21, you need to break that down to a single number. So 2 plus 1, that's 3 again. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, that equals 9. That's your life path number, 9.
You calculate it like that, and then whatever your number is, you can either research it. You can research it, or I'm gonna put a chart. I'm gonna put a chart up for the life path numbers as well for y'all. That's the life paths right there. So, the life paths are very important because they have to do with like your purpose, and it has to do more so with your purpose and why you're on this earth, why God put you down here. So it's all like a numerology thing. If y'all don't know about numerology, y'all need to, you know what I'm saying, do better research on numerology, because that shit, you know what I'm saying, it's damn near what controls this matrix. You know what I'm saying? Numbers. Call me crazy, but it's letters and numbers that control this world. In a weird way. But yeah. I'm a life path number 5. Life path number 5. On my life path number 5, y'all go ahead, comment down below. You know what I'm saying? That's low-key like my soul family in a way. Cause, you know what I'm saying? Your life path number also gives you like your emotions and how you feel and how you know what I'm saying, how you give off. Like, it's weird. So like my emotions and how I be feeling sometimes, I get bored easily. I'm more of a free person, so I like to explore. I just like to, you know what I'm saying, learn new shit. I like to go, you know what I'm saying, explore. I like to be there, to be the first to see what's new and whatever, you know what I'm saying? I'm very fun. I'm a free soul. Like, I like to, you know what I'm saying? I like to explore. I like to adventure. I like to go off and do shit by myself, be independent. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's more so like the life path 5 numbers. Like, you feel me? But our purpose is more, it goes more deeper, because in a sense, some people that are life path 5s are star seeds as well. And they have like a purpose to be on here or be down here on earth to, you know what I'm saying, fix what's going on, because the earth is so fucked up right now. You feel me? But the star seeds, I feel like the star seeds should be for another video. But yeah, your purpose to be down here, and you feel me? Spread love, spread the love, spread the positivity, because at the end of the day, where is the negativity bringing us? Nowhere. You feel me? That's pretty much most of like about the life path numbers. But it definitely goes deeper. It definitely goes deeper because it's a soul thing. Y'all gotta, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta subtract all this 3D. Like, stop looking at everything 3D and man-made wise. Like, y'all gotta look at, you know what I'm saying, things from the soul within. You feel me? I want y'all to, you know what I'm saying, start doing that. When you start looking at people, you know what I'm saying, give them eye contact. Don't, you feel me, stare at their soul. Stare at them. Don't stare at, you feel me, this 3D, this glob of meat. Don't be staring at, you know what I'm saying? Don't be staring at the cheeks, nigga. Don't be staring at them cheeks. Fuck wrong with you? What that John say? Chase your dreams, nigga. What that John say? Chase your dreams, nigga. Fuck. What's wrong with you? We all got a purpose. And you feel me? If you ain't found your purpose yet, you're going to eventually. God is, you know what I'm saying? That was me. God is just gonna come out of nowhere like this and just help you out. Like I'm telling you, everything's just gonna fall in line. Like it's all a divine thing. Y'all gotta understand that. It's all a divine thing. You being on this video right now is a divine thing. Like nobody is sitting here, you know what I'm saying? Nobody is sitting here watching this. This is gonna fuck with their demons. It's gonna fuck with them. They gonna, you feel me? It's gonna fuck with their demons, man. I'm telling you. Every time you doing good, every time, you feel me? Why you think that, bruh? Why you be thinking that? It's God, man. It's God. God got us. And a 555 popped up, no cap. 555, it popped up on the treadmill, no cap. That's my little confirmations. I be getting confirmations from my spirit guides, man. I'm telling y'all, if y'all start getting synchronicities, that's how you know you definitely farther in your street, man. You start getting synchronicities, confirmations from the spirits, like letting you know, like, nigga, you straight, bro, you good. You good. You in good hands. I'm telling you, like, that's how life be feeling, like. As soon as you know what I'm saying, as soon as you take a step back and look at everything how it is, then you can see through it and get you a straight path to just, you know what I'm saying, to success, my nigga. Like, straight path to your purpose, you feel me? That's what it's all about, for real, though, following your purpose, bro. Like I said, it definitely took me a while to understand all of this stuff, especially Lifepath numbers. Lifepath numbers, I accidentally came across it one day, not thinking, you know what I'm saying, not thinking it was really what it was until I started calculating like my family members and shit, which this is a very good story. I started calculating my family members like Lifepath numbers, and it really like resonated with how like their life was going, or how they, you feel me? No weird shit. Like I don't, you feel me? I'm just talking from a soul level, like, you feel me? Like, yeah, that shit, it's scary. Like, that's when it gets scary, because it's like, bruh, that shit real. Like, it's real as fuck, especially when it starts to resonate with you. Like, that's when you know, like, you feel me? It's like resonating, meaning like you feel that, like you feel it, like you feel everything I'm saying. You feel everything, you feel it, like you resonate with it. Like, it, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? You go with it, like you agree with it heavy. That's what I'm saying, man. It's the Matrix, man. It's the Matrix. It's the Matrix. We are soul beings. We are multi-dimensional beings having a human experience. Simple. We just gotta, you feel me, get our research about this human experience so that we can continue and be great. But, you see me? You feel me? We got the devil over here controlling motherfuckers, programming them, party this, party that. You know what I'm saying? They got a fucked up mindset. They, you know what I'm saying? They fearing shit. That's why I got y'all though, my chosen ones. All my chosen ones, man. Comment down below, man, if you're a chosen one. I love y'all so much. I want y'all to keep vibing with me, keep joining me on this journey, man. Comment down below. Like I said, subscribe, like. Have a good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever the fuck you at, man. I love y'all young boys. Y'all be safe. And I'm out.